Welcome to Color Factory Kids, where we believe that drawing should be fun and it should be easy.
Yeah.
And we like to work together and using a few concepts of drawing with lines, circles, and squares. We believe you can draw anything you want. Today, we are going to draw, guess what, Remy?
A bear.
A teddy bear.
You mean a bear?
A bear. But it's not a scary bear. It's a teddy bear. It's a cute bear. It's not a bear I'd run from. So, Remy, when you see this bear, what are the main shapes that you see right away?
Oval, circles.
Where do you see the oval?
Oval.
Around
oval,
his belly.
Oval.
Around his belly.
Circle. Oval.
I see that little square on his head.
That's like a. It looks like an oval.
Yeah, you can make it an oval. I'll make it a little square. Then the feet are a little oval.
No, you mean a rectangle.
Rectangle. That's the thing I should have said. So when we sketch this out, we are going to break it down for lines, for the squares and the ovals. We'll sketch it out. And then once we sketch it out, we're going to put marker to it. And then we are going to color it. We've picked our own colors. But so for today's project, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a black marker, and then your color markers. And if you don't have the colors, that's okay. You can use crayons, you can use whatever it is that you have, or actually you can just leave it black and white. I'm gonna show you this just to kind of show you what it looks like once you add a little color to it. I will remove that.
Wait,
We're going to start with a pencil. We're gonna start with a pencil.
Oh.
And anytime I start a drawing, what's the first thing that we do, Remy? Put a top and a bottom. And why do we do that, Remy? And then we put a line down the middle. Why do we do that, Remy?
Because to separate the parts.
It'll separate the parts, and it also keeps your drawing in this place. You know you're gonna have enough room on your paper to do the whole drawing. So when I look at our bear, we have it's cut in half. We have a big bottom, which is the circle for his belly. And then
He's so fat.
He's a little chubby guy like Papa G. Then we have a rectangle for his head.
I'm not done. I'm gonna do a circle.
You're gonna do a circle? But his head's a little smaller than his body, Rick. So make sure you don't make the head too big.
I did.
It's okay.
It looks like he's so fat.
All right. So when we come down the middle here, we have one foot and then we have another foot. And for these, I just did some quick ovals to show you where the feet go. And then, and then the arms are just two big stumpy arms that comes around here.
Mine looks a little.
So look, the arms go all the way under his neck, Remy. See how I did mine? It's not a big circle, it's just kind of a...
I like it like
Alrighty. So now we have up here, we want to split this. We already have it split in half, but we also want to show you where the bottoms, here's another circle right here, is where his snout is. So I'll put that right there in the middle. And then a teddy bear has some cute ears. To distinguish it that it's a bear.
It looks like he's caught.
It looks like he's what?
Caught.
Caught? What do you mean caught?
Like somebody got him.
Oh, like somebody caught him. Yeah, well, he might be a Christmas present for somebody. All right, so the nose, we have a circle.
I want to do a triangle.
And then under the circle, we do...
The mouth?
like two hooks. Yeah, the mouth, but it's like two hooks. And that creates the mouth. Then on the eyes, you can do whatever you want on the eyes. If you want to make them really big, the bigger the eyes, the cuter sometimes. But sometimes just a small eye makes it just as cute. I'm going to do mine with small eyes this time. And down here at the bottom, I like to put his paws so we know it's a bear. You see how I did his paws, Remy? I did a circle and 3 little circles on top.
Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Remy, I'm going to tell you, I bet you don't know this because I had not shared this information with you, but a teddy bear came from one of our presidents. One of our presidents went hunting and he didn't want to kill a bear. So everybody started making fun of him, and his name was Teddy Roosevelt. So they started calling him Teddy Bear. And then to make fun of him, they made him a first stuffed animal. They made him a teddy bear. And after that, everybody liked it. So everybody has teddy bears now. Do you have any teddy bears or just teddy cats?
Teddy bear.
Do you have teddy bears?
And teddy kitties.
And teddy kitties. All right. So we have it sketched out. We're now going to take the marker.
Ooh, my favorite
and we're going to line out the details. And then we'll come back to color. But once you have this here, you can add a little bit of the details that you want. Like for me, because it's a teddy bear and I know that this has been sewn, I like to kind of pretend these are sewing marks. And I always like to start with my nose when I do faces. And I'm going to make this one have a little shiny spot right here. And you can do it however you want. But I'm sure you've seen enough teddy bears. You probably have one. Your sisters have one. Your brothers have one.
Because teddy bears are all over the world.
They're all over the world. They're taking over, huh, Remy?
Yeah.
All right. So, come back here with the ears. And put a little detail here on the ears.
Boopy.
These lines right here.
Hey, you said sketching.
Well, that's right. We're not sketching anymore. We're already done with that. We're now adding the detail, aren't we? And I add a couple of hairs on his head, Remy. All right. Then his belly. So down, oh, you did it perfect. I was going to tell you, make sure you draw the paw in front of his belly.
I don't really want to.
Just the way you did it there. And then you got the big paw hands.
When I do this, that means it's like he's doing this. His arms are like this.
Oh, so he's walking around like a pterodactyl?
That's what I don't
Is that
like.
what he's doing? All right, and then I like to draw down here. I think you already did this. I like to draw his paws. People know he's a bear. The paws are very important to bears because they climb trees. They swim pretty far is what I heard, Remy.
Yeah.
All right, so we have them inked out. So what's the next thing? Your favorite part?
Coloring!
No, erasing.
Not my favorite.
Not your favorite?
Why did you say my favorite?
Because I like erasing. Because all of a sudden it just looks really clean.
Hey, that one just looks like that.
It looks just like that one?
Except for the eyes.
Except for, yeah, I did the eyes different. And that's the fun part about this. You can do it however you want. I can put a hat on him. I can put ears like yours. But he already has ears, so we don't want to do that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add color to it. And so we don't have to sit and watch us do this. We're going to do this really quick. I'm going to make mine look like a polar bear. So I'm going to make mine white. I'm just going to add shading to it. But his snout goes first. What color are you going to paint yours?
I'm going to paint my snout pink.
Pink? All right, let's go. we now have a finished piece. Remy colored hers in a really pretty pink. I did mine like a polar bear, so I left them mainly white. I just added some shade to it. And what do we need to do to finish it up, Remy? What's the last thing that we do?
Sign.
We gotta sign it. So people gotta know you're the one that drew it and that they know that it's finished. So once you sign it, it's officially completed. Ooh, that's a pretty signature. So from Remy and I, thanks for joining us. A bunch of coloring, and we had a good time with you guys today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. We will be showing you something different every time. And our next one's going to be really fun because it's going to be
Here. It's going to be Santa.
Take care. Bye-bye. Be nice.
And subscribe over here.